What's up guys, my name's Ethan, and today on East Coast Rides I will be wrapping my car with LED lights. I got this idea from a fellow YouTuber, Lookship, so be sure to check out his channel, which I'll link in the description below. I purchased 4 strands of lights and 2 packs of clips off of Amazon. Although I only used 3 strands on my car, it will look a lot better with more, but I ran out of clips. The lights and the clips will be linked down in the description below, so be sure to check it out if you're interested in doing this yourself. I asked one of my friends to film as we drove around my town center, but the footage didn't turn out that good. Even though the footage wasn't that good, we did encounter a couple people that had great reactions towards the car.
Sleigh bells jingle and ring.